Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We have some big news out around Cinedigm, one of our favourite penny stocks on this channel. Ticker symbol CIDM. We've been covering this one for quite a while. I'm calling it my secret under the radar penny stock. Not many people talking about this one, but yet the acquisitions and the news keeps on coming. We've had lots of good news out. Some big news out around about 5 days ago, but then massive news just yesterday around Cinedigm. We're going to get into all of that. If you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. We also have a Patreon where I put out exclusive videos and live streams. And we have a free Discord as well, both of which are linked in the description below if you want to head over and join us on there. But let's get into this one. I'm not a financial advisor. Please always do your own research before investing into the stock market. Cinedigm, ticker symbol CIDM. This is listed on the NASDAQ. Currently, at the time of recording, trading for just under $1.50 per share. It's had a very nice green day just yesterday where we saw this one run up 8% or almost 9%. 8.82. At one point, we was actually up around about 17% just yesterday. That was insane. Massive gains. It did drop off at the end of the day, just like most of these stocks during trading hours. So why did we see this one go on a massive run? Well, first off, if you want to know more about this company, check out my previous updates / stock analysis videos. Links in the description. This is more of an update one, but like I say, this is kind of equivalent to Netflix, Amazon Prime. It's a streaming platform, but in very early days with a market cap of under $250 million. But the news yesterday that we saw this one was this. Why Cinedigm popped today? Phantom Wild Animation is a popular animation studio in Asia. Its Bonnie Bears franchise is especially popular in China. And it's not just the movies. Bonnie Bears merchandise generates over $400 million in annual revenue in China as well. And its content is already distributed internationally through streaming TV partners Netflix and Walt Disney's Hulu. But Cinedigm will now help Phantom Wild Animation gain traction in North America through its dedicated Phantom Wild streaming channel. So this is massive, okay? This company is clearly already established. It's creating a massive amount of revenue in China already. And as you can see there, it's already distributed on Netflix and Disney, which we obviously are two familiar names in pretty much every single person's household. You can see here they launched new streaming channel Phantom Wild in partnership with Phantom Wild Animation. It lists off some of their partners here as well, but you can see the property accounts for more than $435 million in annual toy and merchandise sales. That is insane. We're talking about a company, Cinedigm, with a market cap of 245. And this Phantom Wild is already putting over $435 million in annual sales just on merchandise right there. And the films have grossed over $500 million in box office and over 200 channels, and all three are the highest rated programs in the history of CCTV, which is China's national TV network. It's had titles that have been distributed to more than 120 countries, Netflix, Disney, Nickelodeon, Hulu, just to name a few, okay? This is absolutely massive. I never realized how big this company was until I started doing some digging into it as well. I looked at their website and that as well. It's very exciting. Great partnership here for Cinedigm. It says Cinedigm looks to capitalize on the brand's popularity by distributing Phantom Wild's programming across the broader OTT landscape and into the hearts of viewers across North America. Phantom Wild is available on TCL, the #2 manufacturer of smart TVs in North America. They go on to say that North America is one of the most important markets for us, and we have always been careful entering local platforms with our programs. The right strategy is crucial when we are talking about building our brands in one of the biggest media markets. And that right there is from the president of Phantom Wild Animation. Launching a Phantom Wild branded channel is a very significant moment for us, and we are happy to have such a great partner on our side to help us with it. This is just one of many partners for Cinedigm. We've covered so many before in previous videos. I've covered all of my catalysts for this company, why I really do like this company going forward, why I think it has lots and lots of prospects. Also, not to mention a really big bit of news again, just a few days before this, okay? Cinedigm partners with Genius Brands to bring new content to the cartoon channel. We all probably have heard of Genius Brands by now. We look at their stock as well. They went on a big run. They went on a big spike up to $3 per share, back down and then up again to almost $2.70 per share. This stock's been on a little bit of a roller coaster, but this is more than just a volatile penny stock. This is a big, well-known entertainment company, Genius Brands, and a big cartoon company. You can see here, Cinedim's agreement with cartoon channels whose message is fun, friendly and free encompasses video on demand as well as free ad-supported TV. Cinedigm will provide some of the most popular film and series from around the globe, movies launching on Cartoon Channel, and including the animation feature, and it goes on to list loads of different features on it. And the Cinedigm CEO says, we continue to expand into the avid and fast spaces. We are committed to partnering with gold standard companies and brands. Having worked with Andy Hayward for decades and knowing the Genius Brands team, I know that the Cartoon Channel fits this goal well. Andy has always been a pioneer and industry leader in creating and distributing kids and family content, and the Cartoon Channel is another compelling example of his innovative leadership. So this is big for this company, okay? Once again, another big acquisition. It goes on to list some films that are going to be included in the content distribution. Right there, you've probably heard of many of these: Hatch, Tad, Puss in Boots, Snow White, etc, etc. So in this recent update alone, in the last week, we've had two massive partnerships. Genius Brands, cartoon side of things, which we've all heard of. And then this big Fanta Wild animation, okay, which is extremely popular amongst China and Asia. So two massive partnerships, once again, to add to Cinedigm's ongoing list of acquisitions at the moment. Once again, let's have a look at their stock, because at the moment they're trading for less than $1.50 per share. If we look at where they were 6 months ago, it did hit highs of around about $2.14. So from those highs, we're down about 30%. Now, if we compare that with some other penny stocks that we spoke about, down about 70+%, 30% is really not that much of a big deal. And this went down, and then once again it went up again in March to around about 190, and from those highs we're down about 22%. But if we go on to the last month, we are now only down 5%. That is probably thanks to the big green day we had just yesterday. Things are looking very good for this company. You know, dropping 10% in a day doesn't really bother me with this one, and going up 10% also doesn't bother me, okay? Because we know how volatile this stock is. We've seen it from the past 6 months. What's my strategy with this one? Well, if I'm in the red, I'll probably be nibbling away at this, averaging in here and there. And if I'm in the green, I'll probably be doing the same thing, averaging in here and there, because I do think it has lots of great things to come. Looking to hold this one for the next few years. I think that, you know, this is a great competitor for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Google Play, these sorts of companies. I think there's massive space in the market for another company in this sector, okay? They can innovate and add more revenue streams to their business as well. We want to see this one get into profitability. I look forward to seeing the financials towards the end of the year, how much it is growing, because I really do think that this is going to be growing and growing for sure. But this is just my thoughts on Cinedigm. I think it's quite under the radar at the moment still, although it has been on a bit of a green day as of late thanks to their latest acquisitions. I'm expecting more and more acquisitions to come over the next few months. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on Cinedigm. We're going to cover many more of our exciting penny stocks on this channel as well. We're trying to think outside the box and get all of these penny stocks early. That's why we're getting in now at these current prices. But yeah, if you appreciate these updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. But thanks for watching, and until next time.